Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys for any of you guys that have a Jeep Compass or Jeep Renegade with the 2.4 multi-air engine. You have engine light on and code P0420 guys. If you have that code and you live in a state where you have to pass emissions, you cannot pass emissions. It's practically illegal to drive with this code because it's part of the emission systems as well. So I'll recommend to fix that as soon as you can. Because even if you don't fix it guys, it can cause more damage to your engine, and we're going to talk about that in just a little bit. You can see the engine is out of the Jeep guys. Both of the models use exactly the same engine. There will be very minor differences in the length of the air intake duct here, and we have our upper engine cover painted guys. Now, we got the engine out simply because we did an engine replacement. In the meantime, guys, we made more than 100 videos on that engine, and we showed you how to fix things, how to take the whole engine apart, how to replace pretty much anything on it. In addition, we're, guys, trying to make extra 100 videos for diagnostics, engine codes, and things like that, common problems that way, guys, if you have any problems with that, we can show you guys what needs to be fixed. While we guys do all that, it's pretty simple guys. Our mission at the shop here is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video so we can keep providing that free information. Now, something else guys. If you need to buy any of the replacement parts, tools required to fix that code guys, the scanner that we use and all of you ask me about, we'll share the links in the description of the video below, so please check it out. Let me show you now what we have here. This specifically guys is a 2017 Jeep engine. This is the scanner that we use right here. It's called MaxiCom guys. I'll put the link in the description of the video below. My favorite things about the scanner, it's affordable. It can pay itself off in one-time use. You can access every computer in your car, read and delete codes for every computer, and see live data. Then the other cool thing, it works on all American vehicles, all European cars as well, and it works on all Asian vehicles. I love that thing guys, and definitely it's the scanner that we use the most here at the shop. Pretty much like dealer level equipment without the programming and the active tests. So this is now guys here the 2.4 multi-air engine, and the code guys 420 usually relates guys. Okay, let me remove the upper engine cover. You just pull it out, grab it with 2 hands, it will be stuck, but pull it out, it attaches to 4 ports right here. You're going to have your catalytic converter right here. Next scene, you're going to see the engine with the catalytic converter guys. We'll explain where it is. That's when we remove the engine out of the car. And catalytic converter is what cleans the exhaust gas, okay, so you don't kill the atmosphere guys. But you have one sensor right after the catalytic converter, and this is known as a downstream oxygen sensor. This downstream oxygen sensor actually detects if the catalytic converter is doing its job. The upstream oxygen sensor is before the catalytic converter, and it detects the amount of air and fuel in your exhaust, so the engine can run it at its best. But the second sensor detects if the catalytic converter is doing its job. If you have that code guys, it could be okay, because when a bad catalytic converter performs, the oxygen sensor will guys go up and down the voltage. You can see that on a graph. We have a video how to test it, and that could be actually simulated by a bad oxygen sensor as well. So if you have a code P0420 guys, most likely you either have a bad downstream oxygen sensor or bad catalytic converter. Usually I start guys with the sensor itself, replace the sensor because it's not so expensive, and then I go to the converter because it's probably 20 times more expensive than the oxygen sensor. But I'll put the links for both of them in the description of the video below so you can see them. But practically guys, okay, this is it right there. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you having code P0420. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more help, and see you guys next time.